You want the one on a drumstick?
The Klondike.
This one's chocolate.
These are fun.
Scan your card for something extra.
See, I can look. Oh, the other one moved. Like, okay, what are those people doing? There's huge rabbits out there. There's 2 of them. They look like the size of a little dog. Their ears are really big. I think those are jackrabbits, right? That's huge. Yeah, but you don't need to be in there, so. There's tons of rabbits here. This afternoon we normally walk around here now since we see a bunch of them, and it looks like they have a little lake up there, which is cool. They have their own watering, I guess what we call a watering hole. It was sitting, so maybe it was in a burrow, that's why we didn't see it, and they just came out. Hello, Mr. Bunny. I can get his ears. I am getting his ears. It's been really hot the last few days, and today it's windy, so we have the weather is changing, which is nice because it's right there. It's running. It's cooling down. It's kind of fun to see with all the rabbits around here. There's a bunch of pelicans out here. I've never seen them. Never seen him out here on the pond. Maybe ducks and geese and other birds, but not pelicans. Why are the pelicans here? There's also coots. Or is that coots? Or cormorant.
It's cormorants, there's grebes, there's birds, ducks, there's a lot of herons. See them all over there?
Yeah.
There must be fish in there. Otherwise it would be this pretty.
This is a nice area. of land. Because you should see over there is the freeway. There's cars passing by. And they're on this little patch of land right here. And they have a watering hole. Okay, hot dog for lunch. Piece of bread. Walk this afternoon and it's bright. It's 4th of July, so we're trying to walk before. It's so windy. Huh? Yes.
There's like 6. Look at it. There's like 3 right there and 4 right there. There's like 7 or 8.
This is our morning walk and new spot, new location. All the trees, so you get a lot of shade here. What the heck is that? Maybe that's fava beans.